Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see Centium Electronics. Friends, in this video I am going to explain in detail about this company and their businesses and their future scope. And friends, going further, I am looking this company will generate good revenue. Why? Because the company offering flexible solutions for their customers and design manufacturing and turnkey build specification services and product lifecycle management services, deep domain knowledge in high technology segments, and 2,300 skilled professionals are there in this company. And going further, it generates a huge revenue on electronic equipment design, embedded systems, and FPGA and power, RF and microwaves, CAD, mechanical engineering, and test bench and verify and validate. On manufacturing side, it also gives some good products to EMS like supply logistic chains and mechanical side like manufacturing molding equipments. Friends, I will tell detailed of everyone, and these are the main core areas of this Centium company businesses. And friends, going forward, first one is the company which is main going on electronic equipment design. That means friends, in a basic view I will explain a simple thing like so many equipments, electronic equipment designs coming from China up to now to India. And why means that means you see that their production cost is very low, so they will provide with low cost to Indian markets. That's the benefit for China goods as in India. That's why government also kept restrictions on electronics, also electronic goods as also from China. So it gives good advantage for Indian companies like this Centium to get some few orders from the organizations. Friends, this electronic equipment design means in hospitals side that cardiac testings like CNC test. I think one of the thing they will see the cycles of heartbeats, ECG missionaries, and our mobile board and remote boards. These all boards are comes under these electronic equipment designs. And going further, it provides good services for original architecture and low cost and classical components. And next friends, it comes to embedded systems. Friends, embedded systems plays a key role in IoT. Friends, for every machinery to control that, embedded systems is mandatory, and it is mainly used in defense side as part of defense applications. It develops a whole controlled command with high performance requirements. And friends, it also provides services to military aeroplane and cockpit visualization, data communication also, and for parking payment terminals and critical railway embedded control units to Texas instrument premier designs also. And for medical devices, company provides health monitoring functions like ECG missions. Like these type of missions, it also provides with any new requirement also. And friends, further going to next level, we see FPGA, which is one of the software like program which installed in chip boards, and this is one of the field programmable gate array. And with this the chip will totally completed with this product. And the next thing is the company which also provides power. Friends, for every chip there is a low power and high power which it withstand for low power consumption and low power supply, and up to which level it will support. for high voltage fluctuations, and with that they are going to provide new concepts of a small tramway and looking for a low cost battery charger. And they are going some updates also on R&D side, and it also in metro applications, modular approach and power stimulators. And friends, they developed less than 6 months a battery charger to provide a qualified solution also. And friends, next we are going to see RF and microwaves. Friends, in this session they are going to give like IIF systems and manufacturing 4 kilowatt solid state power amplifiers. Like it will provide some applications to telecom operators, and software defined radios for military applications, and RF and microwave subsystems of telecom operators for their base station equipments. So friends, this is also very good for the company, and due to only telecom operators has to use homogeneous equipments and core softwares. And next one we are going to see CAD. In every area CAD must be using as a mandatory for engineers to develop their skill and high speed signal experts. And the next thing we are going to see mechanical engineering section in this Centium means they are innovative thermoplastic materials with high smoke and fire performance. They reduce the weight of that energy storage roof cabinet by 30% with the latest applications. And it also provides electromagnetic protection and a waterproof housing for a safety critical medical devices. In this session they gives good on their best. And friends, verify and validate. Friends, for every chipboard they have to develop the embedded system software, and they have to test as a software, and they have to install it in the board, and after that also they have to test how it is working. And after total board manufacturing, electronic board manufacturing completes, then also they have to test the various components like fire hazards and temperature withstands and humidity checkings, and all those things they have to verify on a chipboard. So due to electronic goods imports restrictions from China, there is a huge demand, or few companies will take the services of Indian companies to develop their boards like this Centium Electronics. And going further, microelectronics, it also develops microelectronic applications, and it has 15 years of credible deliveries to telecoms, industrial, defense and space makers. So we see somewhat good for Centium Electronics, and if we pick it with now, we can expect some good revenue generation. And going further, industrialization and EMS, they will give good results on NPI. That means if you set any protocol and prototype, they will give exact prototype and the best results on that. And going further, logistics and supply chain, I already explained this thing. Embedded systems will used in this analysis. And next one is manufacturing. In this manufacturing they provides like thermoplastic injectable moduling. Friends, we know some machineries like which was used to print any plastic materials like models. That means moldings. You have to see some molding to pour melted plastic. Then after the process completes, the mold will come out with that machinery. So like you made a plastic soap box, or you made a injection, and you made a plastic bottle and all the things. These are moldings, and this company provides and specialized in thermoplastic injection molding and thermoset injection molding and compressing molding facilities. And friends, with this we can expect a good revenue generation for any plastic equipments. So much of small equipments, small plastic products came from China and other parts of India. Due to this Make in India program, we expect a huge manufacturers asks these type of moldings, thermoplastic injection moldings, to develop their own products. So we think it is also gives good benefit for the company. And finally we are going to see the promoter holdings and all those things. Friends, the promoters holds 58% in this company, and it is a good sign for us. And uh, mutual funds holding 7.42%, and number of mutual funds remains unchanged in quarter 2020 September quarter. And institutional investors holdings in this company 7.36% in September quarter. And friends, I am expecting entering in this stock at below 450 is very good, I think, and it will give good revenue after that for price movement also. So friends, this is my analysis and detailed view on Centium things, Centium Electronics. And thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you, friends.